Greetings, friends and lovers. Today we're going to make a very professional gamer YouTube video of the retro gamer. You know, those things everyone does. Okay. What are we gonna do here? Too many. Okay. Oh, that's good enough. Let's start with that. I just bought that. It was like $45. Yeah, is that a ripoff? I don't know, but I wanted it. Early Christmas present. It's all in here. It's all in here. Don't worry, I'm not faking. I wouldn't lie to you guys, my friends. Yep. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna play it for the first time ever, cause I'm like 20. You know, I haven't played this shit. But I'm gonna do it right in here. Yeah. Gonna pop it in there. With my super awesome Hello Kitty television. You gotta play it on CRTs or you're just a poser. Okay. Yeah, it runs. It runs alright. Look at it go. Okay, I promise it goes, but I'm just gonna go ahead and switch over to an emulator so I can actually record it. Bye. Alright, here we go. First time doing this shit ever. So you're gonna have to pardon how shitty everything is, but I think you'll come to enjoy it, no matter how shitty things might be. Anyway, Ghosts and Goblins for Sega Genesis. It's a fun game. Here we go. Oh my god, that looks like rotting trash right here before me. Let me just fix that real quick. Just ignore just ignore that. That's not important. Okay. Yes, always turn that off, unless you like to look at garbage, which you probably do. Just being honest. Okay. I'm not going to edit that out because you know that it's quality content regardless of that. Let's see how far we can make this, not knowing anything about this except for you throw lances at ghouls and ghosts, I would imagine. Okay. Wheelchair. Is it a mimic? No, pretty close. Not exactly a mimic, but I'm a duck. Or a chicken, I'm not sure. Here we go. Fuck. Could you not? Does this game ever stop? It's just crazy in your face all the time. Is this one the same thing? Nope. That's better. Motherfucker. I guess this isn't a family-friendly channel. But you like your Let's Plays raw and gritty, I can tell. Just from looking at your face, if you were. I don't think I can't see you. I wonder what country this is supposed to be. Probably France with all the guillotines. Is that right? Nationalist. Okay, how am I supposed to tell that apart from all the other Wendy's? I need that. Oh, fuck. This is pushing the Sega Genesis to its limits, you can tell. Because it's flickering so much. Not bad for being rotting garbage at old games, right? I swear I've never played this before, at least not the Sega version. I played the shitty Nintendo version where everything looks, I don't know, use your imagination. tired of saying the word garbage over and over again. You're probably tired of it too. Okay, those are just really sharp ledges there. Double click it. Well, this is really fun. It doesn't look like Western mythology, so I'm a little confused. Hello. Oh, okay. Is there any checkpoints back there? Because I don't know if that was the end. Okay, that's nice. I thought this game was supposed to be hard. Maybe if I can. It'd probably be better if I still had the lances. Get freaking holy fire stolen from Castlevania. Yes, Castlevania did invent that. It's not based on anything. Second level. Okay. Okay, well, that's just a big robot head. I don't know what that has to do with anything, but now we're in Holland. With all the windmills. Ooh, is it not a wizard's time? Fucking fuck. A Jewish wizard. I don't know. Star David when I see it. This is clearly Jewish propaganda. I would know. I browse 4chan regularly and know all about the Jews. You can't fool me, Capcom. Or like crap Jew Shilcon. Can't really tell which parts fall out. What is that? You just have to keep moving or what? Oh my god. That was unavoidable. That's just bad game design. It has nothing to do with my skill whatsoever. And why does it say practice? It seems very much like the actual game. What does that say about my skills? You know, I'm going to persevere. I'm going to beat this whole game right now. Just you watch. I gotta use this microphone for something. If I don't become YouTube famous, it's just gonna be wasted money, and we can't have that. Fuck me. I hate these fucking robot tails. I don't know which ones to shoot, which ones to just run under, and blah 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 blah. Why has that one got a jar? No one knows. Everything. At least it's not. Okay. Well, clearly there's a pattern to this madness. This chaos that's engulfing my very being. It may not seem like it, but I'm really enjoying this game. I'm glad Okay, that seems slightly better than Holy Fire. Especially on this little slope. Okay. Shiny gold axe. This isn't golden axe, but I've got a golden axe. Figures. This game's full of plagiarism from other games. Not die. I did it. I'm the champion. Okay. I guess I should have noticed the fucking flaming windmill, but... Okay. I don't suppose I get a checkpoint or anything, but I get to keep the golden axe. I just want to thank all the 3 people who watched this. You really made my day. Something special here. Can you hear my clicky clacking? Can you hear the funny sound? Because I couldn't get my gamepad to work. I'd probably be doing better if I had my controller, but real champions make do. Maybe I should just... Nope, you can't just jump over it. Okay. Oy, Jiminy Cricket, what a difficult game. It's almost like it's earned its reputation of being somewhat tricky. Okay, not even to the sand part yet. It's already dead. Okay. Shut up, dog. Can you hear the licking? That's what I hear every night when I'm trying to sleep. That little black line is just that hill over in the background, just floating. Oh fuck, I missed the gold sword. That's even better. You know what? I'm just gonna call it quits for now. Just kidding. Fuck. Okay, I think I've played enough of this game to give an honest review, you know? It is simultaneously the best game involving throwing lances at turtles, but also the worst game ever created. Because it's impossible to win. I think they just want to torture you. If you have a Sega Genesis, you really should be playing Sonic the Hedgehog or Mrs. Pac-Man instead. I wanted to spend $45 to just torture myself. I could have bought a lot of sharp things for that much money. Oh well. Pretty fun for my first video. I hope someone enjoys it.